Hey guys, I'm back at the trail today. I'm going to rebuild a berm. I'm going to just cut to a time-lapse clip of that. I'm out here by myself, so I won't be, I won't have anyone else around to help me. So this is the new berm. It's pretty nice. Get a clip of me hitting it, but it's definitely fresh dirt. I also rebuilt this berm here. It's not much of a berm, it's the drop-in, but you also, when coming down this section, can come along here, get speed for the table up there. So, it's not great, it's super sharp, it's a 90-degree turn. So, you can maintain better speed, I think.